Hello, me hearty. So today I'll be showing you how I make fried rice. Let's go. Ignore the color of the oil. I actually use it for the chicken, and now I want to use it to saute this shrimp. Yes, I'm going to be using shrimps for this fried rice. This is actually the frozen shrimp, not the fresh one, and I prefer you get the fresh one. I think the fresh one tastes better than this frozen one we buy from the store. Anyways, I had to make do with what I have. I've not really found a seafood market here, but when I do, I'll definitely get the fresh one and freeze it myself because I don't know how they process this one. The taste wasn't really, it wasn't just giving me that shrimp taste. So yes, you saute it for a few minutes, let it get a little bit golden brown, and you take it out of the oil. As you can see it here, it's a little bit golden brown. It's now strong a bit, so I'm taking it out of the oil. You don't want to roast it. And I learned from one of these Chinese YouTubers. This fried rice, their fried rice is actually their own recipe. So I learned from them that you can still use the oil for. In fact, you should use the oil for the rice, and it still gives that shrimp taste. Although I don't really know if I got that shrimp taste from the oil, but that's what they say. So let's go. So I'm taking out the shrimp from the oil. You reduce the fire. You just fry this thing on low heat, so you don't roast this thing. Take it out and let's get to work. So here I'm starting with the onions. Ginger and garlic, mix it, just saute it. Just do this on low heat. Don't make it too hot so you don't roast the onions and the vegetables. The next is shredded chicken. This chicken has been pre-cooked already and seasoned. Some people use fresh meat, but I actually like the pre-cooked one, so I don't have anything fresh. Else, if you don't pre-cook your chicken, you need to at least stir fry this for a longer time. Then seasoning cubes. Can you imagine this seasoning cube was really hard? I just had to say, let me keep this one. I'll come back to it. If you can guess the seasoning cube product in the comment section, for those my Nigerian sisters, just guess the seasoning cube that gives us the struggle here in Nigeria. And salt to taste. Curry powder, dried thyme, and give it a good mix. We're just sauteing our vegetables, get all the seasoning mixed together, and now your house is smelling like curry and some stuff. Your neighbors already know you're doing something. And this is my frozen blended pepper. I just blend it and put it in the freezer. Please allow your pepper to thaw before you even start this. This is a mistake I made. See me struggling to now defrost this in the pot. Don't be like me. But you can use freshly blended pepper. Some carrots, my carrot comes in at this time. You know, carrot is actually strong and you want it to get a little bit soft. in the rice, so that's why I put it in first. If you like your carrot really strong in your rice, then maybe you can put it later. So here I have the green peas and yellow sweet corn. I mean, what's fried rice without green peas or sweet corn? When I have this like this, I feel I have the full package. And see me still struggling with this, my frozen pepper. I just want it to at least spread around. So I want it to defrost so it can spread around. Then it's time to add my shrimp, the fried shrimp, the shrimp we fried earlier. And battling with the seasoning cubes, it must get into this rice. It must get into the sauce. And finally, victory. I've crushed it. So the trick for cooking fried rice is just to get everything ready before you start this stir fried rice, because everything goes in just back to back. So you should have everything ready waiting for you before you embark on this journey. So I covered it, left it for just a few minutes to heat up a bit, steam a bit. If you've watched till this time and you've not subscribed to this channel, in case I offended you, please forgive and click the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up to encourage me to do more. Thank you very much for watching. Keep watching. Then it's time to add the rice. This rice has been pre-cooked in the chicken broth, and it's with curry in it too. So this is a stir fried rice. You just mix the rice with the sauce and let all the taste of the sauce mix up with the rice. Some people add egg to the rice, so you can actually have your stir fried rice with egg. I think maybe I'll try that recipe and vlog it, but this fried rice doesn't have egg in it. But next time I think I'll do that and show you people. This is where the work is. This is why it's called stir fried rice. You have to make sure that the rice mix up with the sauce. Every part of the rice is incorporated with the sauce. So I'll let it steam for a while, and voila, our rice is ready. Make sure it doesn't get burnt underneath, so throw this on low heat and give it its final mix. Right, like this, the rice is ready. It's already pre-cooked rice and the sauce is ready, so you're just mixing them together. And in this recipe, you're not adding water to the rice or anything, so you're good to go. I'm comparing this to the recipe of fried rice I knew when I was much younger, to add water to it and all. And that kept me wondering, how is it fried rice if it's not fried? But getting older and seeing this Chinese stir fried rice recipe, I'm like, okay, that's why it's called fried rice. What they gave us in the past was cooked curry rice. I'm just saying. So our stir fried rice is ready. Can you see how delicious this looks? Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this video very interesting. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll definitely see you in another cooking vlog. Bye.